Welcome to Titan's RX-80 gun maintenance video. Here, you'll learn how to repack your RX-80 gun. You'll want to perform this procedure if you notice any material still coming from the gun tip when the trigger is released. First, remove the tip and tip guard from the gun. Next, while depressing the trigger, use a wrench to loosen and remove the diffuser. Now remove the rear cap. Using a 3/8 inch socket, loosen and remove the lock nut from the back of the needle. Now remove the retractor plate. Be careful not to lose the trigger pins. Finally, using pliers, clamp onto the front of the needle assembly and while holding the gun, pull the needle out. Now you're ready to repack the gun. First, install the new needle seal assembly into the front of the gun until you feel the seal press into the gun head. If your trigger pins fell out, make sure to install them now. Next, place the retractor plate inside the rear of the gun head. Make sure the flats of the threads on the seal assembly are on the top and bottom so that it slides through the hole in the retractor plate. Using the same socket, thread the lock nut onto the end of the seal assembly, but don't tighten it yet. While depressing the gun trigger, install the new diffuser on the front of the gun head and tighten securely with a wrench. Now tighten the rear lock nut until snug. Check the trigger action for full opening and closing against the diffuser. Lastly, connect the gun to your hose and sprayer. Turn on the sprayer and test the gun for leaks as well as its trigger action. If necessary, adjust the nut in the back as needed to achieve a seal when the trigger is released. Now install the rear cap. Thank you for watching this maintenance video for Titan's RX-80 gun. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.